आज का वीडियो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होने वाला है फ्रॉम दी ओल्ड वीडियोस, फ्रॉम माय ओल्ड वीडियोस। एंड इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कुछ समझाना चाहती हूँ, आपसे कुछ बात करना चाहती हूँ एंड आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट भी करना चाहती हूँ। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो आज के वीडियो में हम बेसिकली बात करेंगे अबाउट वाटर एंड हाउ कैन वी सेव वाटर. Okay, so as we all know that we are lacking of water and underground is not much water, right? And this will result after 20 to 40 years. This will result in our lack of water and the end of human life. So I hope that we all need to save water and we all don't want to end human life, of course. So the picture on my right is the best example of it. Okay, so now let's begin with the points of how can we save water in different ways. So the first point, and which is the most important point, is ROs. So basically we all have ROs at our home, right? So they're really good and your drinking clean water is also very good. But have you ever noticed a small pipe coming out of the RO and and its end is at your sink, and on the sink all the water is wasted? Actually, that's the dirty water. You cannot drink it. I know. I also know that you can't drink it. But we can use it in other things also, such as our household work, such as cleaning our doors, and we do dusting sometimes, and we just wet a cloth and then we do dusting, such as mopping. You can also take it. So if we do these small things, we can really save water. So what I want you all to do is that just place a small bucket at the end of that pipe, and whenever that bucket fills the hole, just if you want to mop your floor, you can mop your floor with that water, and if you want to clean something, you can do that. You can use the water in your household work, all your household work, right? But not in drinking, of course, that's dirty water. So this one point, if you always start working, so please just start working on it. And okay, so the next point is rainwater harvesting. So these days there are lots and lots of rains at everywhere. So that's why I want you all to save water, save the rainwater actually. So what we can do is that we can take a big vessel, or we can take a bucket, and wherever rain comes, just keep it over there, and you will see that the whole bucket will be filled with rainwater. So that rainwater also you can use in your household work, and you can use it in different ways. So you can use that water too. So that will also save water very much. So the next is desalination. So basically desalination means removing the salt from the ocean water, and then the water is pure for drinking. So there are some industries for that, some factories for that, but they are not much. Okay, there are only a number of industries and factories in here. So that's why I really want you all to save water. I mean, yeah, desalination is a very good point. But then also, if you know the meaning of desalination, then also you need to save water, because one or the other day the ocean water will also get finished, and that's the reason will end human life. So that's why please save water. I do request you. So the next point is whenever your guests come home, right? So whenever your guests come home, you offer them water. Of course, everyone offers them water, and you just take a full filled glass of water for them. So, and if they drink it only half glass, the half glass water is waste, क्योंकि हम पानी नहीं पी सकते हैं, and that is also water wastage. So that's why please kindly request your guests to tell you that how much water they want to drink, and जितना भी वो बताएं क्वांटिटी, उनके हिसाब से यू कैन फिल द ग्लास एंड फिर वो उसको पूरा दे देंगे. सो देयर विल बी नो वाटर वेस्टेज, राइट. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ very small point, very little point, but if you all will follow that, will surely save water. So please save water. Okay, so the next point is very common, and we are hearing from a lot from many years, that please don't take long showers, do not waste water like that. So now there is another point which we are hearing from many years, and but no one's, I don't think that no one's following that, because we often forget that to turn our tap off after we brush our teeth. These days hand washing is really important, right? These days are of COVID, and it's really important to wash our hands. So I'm not telling that don't wash your hands. You have to wash your hands, and that's necessary for me, you, and everyone. So that's why whenever you wash your hands, please after that switch the tap off. Please do remember this. Set the point in your mind that you have to switch the tap off. You have to switch the tap off. So please just do this, and that's all for the points which I wanted to tell you guys about. And please everyone, my small request is just this, to save water, please, otherwise it will end human life. So that's all for my today's video. If you like the video, so please hit the like button and let me know. And if you are really following my points, so don't forget to comment me down, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.